get this thing to mission control. They need the Dig Extremely Well bot for the Mars mission. Oh, and I've got a long way to go, so welcome to Sing Show. Wait for me!
Stage and lights are all set up, so now we proudly present to you the Orchard Elementary Group Page Sing Show. The Orchard Elementary Group Page Sing Show. The Orchard Elementary Group Page Sing Show. The Orchard Elementary Group Page Sing Show.
Hello, Sing Show family.
Welcome back to our third episode all about robots. We're super excited. Last week we built some robot friends, and this week we need your help in our robot factory building even more robots.
Are you ready?
Stand up. We're going to help out a good friend of ours. His name is Joe. Here we go. Hi, my name is Joe, and I work in a robot factory. I've got a wife and a dog and a family. One day, my boss came up to me and said, "Hi, Joe, are you busy?" I said, "No." He said, "Push the button with your right hand." Hi, my name is Joe, and I work in a robot factory. I've got a wife and a dog and a family. One day, my boss came up to me and said, "Hi, Joe, are you busy?" I said, "No." He said, "Push the button with your left hand." Hi, my name is Joe, and I work in a robot factory. I've got a wife and a dog and a family. One day, my boss came up to me and said, "Hi, Joe, are you busy?" I said, "No." He said, "Push the button with your right foot." There it is. Hi, my name is Joe, and I work in a robot factory. I've got a wife and a dog and a family. One day, my boss came up to me and said, "Hi, Joe, are you busy?" I said, "No." He said, "Push the button with your left foot."
Oh dear.
Hi, my name is Joe. I got this. And I work in a robot factory. I've got a wife and a dog and a family. One day, my boss came up to me and said, "Hi, Joe, are you busy?" I said, "No." He said, "Push the button with your head." Hi, my name is Joe, and I work in a robot factory. I've got a wife and a dog and a family. One day, my boss came up to me and said, "Hi, Joe, are you busy?" I said, "Yes."
Come on now, make some time to read. It's Mrs. Ray's book bag.
Hi readers, these past few weeks we've been enjoying exploring all kinds of robots. Started off with working with some artwork inspired by Jarrett Lerner, and this week my students and I have been reading Geeger the Robot Goes to School, written by Jarrett Lerner. In this story, Geeger is a robot who is wanting to make a friend, and he thinks that going to school would be a great place to do that. He sees all the kids going there every day, laughing, smiling, having a great time, and on his first day of school, he's feeling a little bit nervous. Have you ever felt that way? I know I sure do sometimes when I have to start something new. Well, in this story, he meets a lot of people at the school that help him work through his stressful first day. I hope you'll check it out. And if you enjoy this book, there's a second one in the series, Geeger the Robot, Lost and Found. You can find these books and more on Jarrett Lerner's website. We hope you enjoy. See you next time.
Come on now, make some time to read. It's Mrs. Ray's book bag.
Oh, thank you to Jarrett Lerner. And we want to give a big celebration to his newest book out this month, from his creativity series. This is Give This Book a Cover. First title in the series was Give This Book a Title. And these books are filled with loads of activities and story starters, comics, how to draw, pages, lots of things. If you're having a day where you're feeling a little stuck for an idea, these are great books to check out.
Oh, like this one. Look at this. If you had your own robot, what would you program it to do? Or maybe finish this robot comic. Wow.
You can find these kinds of pages in both of these books, and Jarrett Lerner also generously shares these types of pages on his website under activities. Check it out, try something, and get creative.
Maybe it's a robot factory.
Robot stories. Is that okay? Oh, all right.
I'm going to Mars today.
I'm going too, oh my goodness!
Here, sign this, and sign that, and initial here, and there. All right, cool.
This is so exciting!
We better board. The countdown is about to start.
All right, let's go!
Three, two, one.
We made it to space. Now, let's set the coordinates for our Mars mission.
Oh, what was that?
I don't know. Let's go check it out. I don't see anything.
Me neither.
Hey, what are we looking at here?
Wait, what are you doing here?
Well, I don't know. Oh, whoa! Hey, look! It's a frozen bro!
No, it's Gus. I can't believe we found him. He's been missing for weeks.
Oh, well, let's get him! He's frozen solid!
What will we do? Is there anyone who can help him now?
Oh! Melvin can help him.
No!
I am the
You're Mel 2000.
I, Mel 2000, am the smartest robot, and I can rebuild him. I have the technology. He will be better, cooler, stronger. Did I say cooler?
Yeah.
Oh, all right. Come with me, Gus.
Okay, we better get going. Enter the coordinates for Mars.
Okay, all set.
Punch it. A chewy!
Gesundheit!
Thanks. Now let's go.
We're here!
Hey, we made it.
Yep. Mel 2000, go get the extra compact Mega Dig extremely well bot. It's time to start excavating.
About that, I kinda had to dismantle it.
What? We needed that tool to search for Martian life.
Well, I kinda needed to use the parts.
What for?
I am Gus, the $6.39 man. How may I be of assistance?
Dig, Gus. dig.
What? Stop!
Oh! Whoa! Look at that!
I can't believe it. We always suspected that Mars used to be inhabited by robots.
And now we have proof!
Wow, wait. It looks like it might still be functioning. Let me just do a couple. There. Oh.
Melvin!
What did you do? It's a dance party robot!
I love dance parties! Dance parties!
Stay alive, stay
Hey there, this is author-illustrator Jarrett Lerner, creator of Geeger the Robot Goes to School, among other books. And you are watching The Sing Show live. Enjoy.
Thank you to our author this week, Jarrett Learner, and a big Sing Show thank you to all of our student authors for sharing all of your robot stories these past few weeks. Last but not least, thank you to our Sing Show family for joining us. This last song is inspired by Geeger the Robot Goes to School. In Jarrett Lerner's book, Geeger is a robot in a human world, and I thought, what if I was a human in a robot world? This is called Homesick. (1,451 Earth days). Been keeping track on my wall. When I look up, I see stars out my window. Don't recognize them at all. And there's a star calling me home. When I first volunteered for this mission, I knew that risk was involved. My ship sustained irreparable damage. I'm barely making this call. If you're receiving this message, please send help quick. I'm not in danger, but I am feeling homesick. I'm feeling homesick. I can confirm there's intelligent life here, friendliest ever designed. The population is entirely robots, and I am one of a kind. And there's a star calling me home. I've learned their language, it's really quite basic, with lots of zeros and ones. I'm not exactly a passable robot, but I've learned a lot and had fun. If you're receiving this message, please send help quick. It's been amazing, but now I'm feeling homesick. There's just one thing that never made sense to me. How did these robots ever come to be? Are they voyagers stranded here just like me? And there's a star calling us. If you're receiving this message, please send help quick. I'm on a planet of sentient robots. It turns us out. We're all feeling homesick. And there's a star. Keep singing.
I am Evil Mel 2000. Welcome to Sing Show.